Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can see what songs your friends are listening to on Spotify. So you are just going to either select this button here to see the friend activity, and you'll be able to see the songs that your friends are listening to or have been listening to. As you can see, there's a time here, so they listened to it an hour ago, 2 hours, 3 hours ago, etc., etc. Um, if that doesn't work, just go to view here and select friend activity. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.